Welcome back to Car Tech Auto. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Mercedes-Benz is creating a new electric vehicle platform that will impact their motorhomes in the future, according to the information that is now accessible. The main points are as follows: VAN.EA. The new electric vehicle platform, VAN.EA VAN electric architecture is a revolutionary electric vehicle architecture that Mercedes-Benz is launching, beginning in 2026. All Mercedes-Benz medium and large electric vans will be built on this platform. VAN. Because it is modular and adaptable, it may be applied to a variety of vans, including luxury motorhomes and commercial vans. Both all-wheel drive AWD and front-wheel drive FWD setups will be supported by the platform. Effect on RVs. Mercedes-Benz intends to add a new range of totally electric motorhome models based on the VAN.EA platform to their lineup. This implies that Mercedes-Benz RVs with zero emissions will likely become even more eco-friendly in the future. More interior design and configuration freedom is another promise of the VAN.EA platform, which may lead to more creative and cozy RVs. Features and technology. VAN. Mercedes-Benz's MB.OS operating system, which offers entertainment, automated driving capabilities, and comfort controls, will be installed in E-based trucks. The vans will have SAE Level to automated driving at debut, with Level 4 capabilities expected by 2030. The mobility of RV owners will be substantially enhanced by these new features. Extra points in the upcoming years. Mercedes-Benz wants to dramatically grow its market share in electric vehicles, with a greater emphasis on sustainability and electric technology. These advances mark a dramatic change in the motorhome sector. In conclusion, the new VAN.EA platform and other cutting-edge technology are anticipated to make the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome a very sophisticated and eco-friendly automobile.